Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to continue my series on how to apply eyeshadow when you wear glasses. Now, not everyone can take off their glasses, not everyone else can have someone do their makeup for me, which is the videos that I have found on YouTube. Some of us have to keep our glasses on when we're applying our eyeshadow. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that. Now I've only found one video of a lady who does this, and thank you for posting that, but I'll be doing this so that there's a large variety of videos out there showing people how to do this. Now, we'll be working with a palette from Unique that I put together myself, and the colors that we'll be working with are Live, Lively, Fervent, and Optimistic. Now, this isn't a palette that I would have put together myself, but it was suggested by our head office, and I absolutely think that they're fantastic colors and will create a really cool night out look, you guys. Now, the tools that I'll be using today are our liner shader brush. So on this side you have kind of an eyeliner side, and then this side you have the side that you apply your eyeshadow with. And we'll also be using the blending brush. Now, this is great for eyeshadow. Before I became a Unique presenter, I'd never blended my eyeshadows. I always had, those very definite lines, and this really helps blend and look more professional with your makeup. So what I wanted to start out with today is the color Alive. So that's this one here. It's kind of a golden, kind of antique brass look, and it's really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip all sides of my brush in, like that, and just kind of tap the excess off. And in front of me I have a 7x zoom mirror. I'm gonna link this for you guys in the comments. I bought it off of Amazon. And I'll also be using the camera a bit so that I can see. But normally, like if I take my glasses off, I have to get this close to the mirror. So I find that this really helps me be able to see when I'm putting on my eyeshadow. So you just wanna get on top of your lid, like that. And make sure that you're getting right to the eyelash line with it, and right into the corners. Just like that. And I'm gonna dip in again because we wanna go up our brow line as well. And we go about 3/4 of the way up, tap it off again. And if you don't tap it off, especially with glasses, you'll find that you'll get little flecks of eyeshadow on your glasses. So you wanna go from the corner of your crease all the way to the other side, and go about 3/4 up the way of your brow line there. Just like that. And then we're gonna go in, and I'm just gonna brush this off on my hand a bit. We wanna go in with the color Alive. Now, Alive, I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it's a really nice kind of peachy orange. It's not a color I would have picked out myself, but it really is quite gorgeous. So this I'm gonna just dip in the tip and the sides of the tip, just like that. And this one you want to bring all the way from one corner of the crease to the other. So we're just going to go in. And bring it across your eye. And just go back and forth in kind of a windshield wiper motion. And then we're going to take our blending brush. We want to start out in the corner and just bring this across, like that. And now we're gonna again wipe off in between. We're gonna go in with our darkest color, and this is Fervent, and this one is like a nice brick red. And again, this isn't a color I would have chosen, but it's gorgeous. So these two are matte, and these two are like a shimmer. So we'll work with this matte one. And again, I'm just dipping in the tip of my brush. And this one we want to go into the corner of your eyelid, and again about halfway across on your crease. So you just bring it into the corner. And again, make sure you're getting to the lash line with this. And then go about halfway across and bring it over. Like that. And again, we want to go in with our blending brush and blend that in nicely. And the last color that we're going to be using, and again, this time really make sure that you brush this off well, because you're going from your darkest brick red to a really shimmery fleshy tone, and so you want to make sure that that is off of your brush. So we're going in with Optimistic, and this time I'm gonna dip the sides in and the tip, because this one I'm gonna be using more of it, and also you wanna make sure that you get really good coverage. So again, you tap it off, and this one we wanna bring up into our brow line, like that. And then you also wanna get down into the corner of your eye, and that really helps make it pop. And I'm gonna leave my glasses off to blend this in. You just want to blend it in with everything. And this helps to lighten your eye. And there you go. And the next thing we're going to apply is our mascara. Now this isn't one that I'm going to apply on camera. This is actually one that I use at night. And so the lash serum from Unique actually helps really have your eyelashes grow. If you have a problem with, like say you've had falsies in the past, or you've had eyelash extensions and you're finding that it actually took off your real eyelashes, this can help grow them back. Now, other serums from other companies, you actually have to put, you know, like a pad underneath your eye and really goop this stuff on. This stuff you put on just like a mascara. So you put on about halfway up your lashes and up, and do the same thing on the bottom, about halfway up. You go to sleep and you leave this in, and then the next morning you shower like normal, and you just go ahead with your day. What I'm gonna apply for you guys today is our lash primer. I'd never used a lash primer before, and what this does is, number one, it delivers vitamin E to your lashes, so it helps nourish them and make them really healthy. And then the other thing it does is it helps separate your lashes and get them ready for the mascara before you put them on, so that your mascara goes on smoother. It helps make your eyelashes not clump together. It helps to spread them out, which is the look that you want, right? You want that look of falsies without having to, number one, pay that price, and number two, you also don't want to have them damage your eyes, because there's a lot of things that can go wrong when you're looking at falsies or eye extensions, right? So this, of course, I have to take my glasses off with, so forgive me, you guys, I'm going to get really close and personal for a minute. So what I have to do, and this has a curling brush, so it helps to really curl your eyelashes. So you just go in like that, and then you do your bottom lashes as well. And then what I'm going to go in with next, you guys, is our 4D mascara. Now the 4D mascara is what Unique is famous for. They revolutionized lashes. Now if you had been a Unique customer or presenter before, you'll know about the 3D mascara, and that was a two-step process where you would actually put the mascara on and then you would put the fibers on. Now they built it into one, and so it has a little bit of a, it's not a curved brush, it has a flat side and then it has kind of a more pointy side, and this helps to bring the fibers up your lashes and make them really long, really gorgeous. So this one you apply by wiggling and rolling up, wiggling and rolling up. So this is a really, really nice mascara. I haven't in the past really worn mascaras because I found them to be really, in all honesty, heavy, and this is one that I didn't really want to try at first because I thought that this was going to really weigh down my lashes and really make my eyes hurt. And also because I wear glasses, often you have mascaras that make your eyelashes stick straight out and you're actually wiping on your glasses, and it's absolutely horrible. Right? So this, I actually find it helps curl. It helps to really bring out my lashes without really making them awful so that, you know, they're in my way or they're disturbing me. I really, really like this mascara. I'm really impressed with it. I can wear it all day. I don't have fibers on my cheeks. I don't have, you know, my eyes hurting at the end of the night. So there's the finished look, you guys. So you can see those lashes, like you can see them compared to my regular normal lashes. It's quite a difference. My budgies love it. And so there is the finished look. I'm going to complete my other eye, you guys, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. So I'm back, everyone. So this is the completed look. And I really like this look. I never would have put these colors together myself, but I think that they absolutely are gorgeous, especially if you're wearing a red shirt or something. I think it looks really nice. So just as a reminder, you guys, we used Alive, lively, fervent, and optimistic. We used our liner shader brush, our blending brush, not on the video, but I used last night, is our lash serum. And then our primer and our 4D mascara. And the 4D and the primer are absolutely fantastic. The difference in my lashes since I started using it is just amazing. Like, I have had so many compliments, it's funny, on my glasses since I started wearing this. And these are like guys I work with every day. I had these glasses for a year, but they don't even know, right? Like, they think that it's a difference in the glasses. It's not a difference in the glasses, it's a difference in my eyes. So I'm really impressed with all these products, and I'll link again my mirror that I have in the link below for you guys. And I'll continue with my how to put on eyeshadow if you have eyeglasses series. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you. So you want to take some of the fibers off, just like that. and then my budgies are flying around.